Welcome to COVID Checker tutorial. To access the system, open a Google Chrome or any browser from your desktop and type 203.177.67.124/SOPCCS and press Enter key to proceed to login page. Enter your credentials and click Sign in. This display all the samples sent for confirmation. To search patient by name, type the name here. Then click the search button. This display all the samples with the same name that you have searched. Let's proceed to the result dashboard. Just click Results. This will display all samples with their status and result. You can filter the displayed results by patient's name, range of date when the form is created, and by the result status. Just always click the Filter Result button to apply changes. You can log out from the system by just clicking Log Out. That concludes the tutorial. For more inquiries, please contact DOH CVCHD. Thank you.